Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all children? I hope you all are fine and doing the practice regularly. Today we are going to continue the same topic, time. Do you remember what did we discuss in our previous video of time? We have discussed 12-hour format and 24-hour format, how we read the time in two different ways. When we have 12 hours format or the clock, how we read the time, and when we have 24-hour format or the clock, how we read the time, right? Today we are going to do addition and subtraction of time. Now addition and subtraction of time is not same like how we do the addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Okay, there are certain things that we need to keep in mind when we are borrowing or carrying the numbers. Okay, here what we need to remember is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So when we borrow or when we carry, we will be carrying according to 60 minutes or 60 seconds. Okay, so just pay attention and see how we change, how we add and then we change minutes and seconds. Okay, so you can see on the board, the first thing that we are going to do is addition. Now when we do addition, here I have hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, we are going to first add all these three in a separate form, like we will add seconds separate, minutes and hours will add separate. Okay, and then we will see how we convert seconds to minutes and minutes to hours. So first thing, we will add seconds, then we will add minutes and then we will add hours. Now the question that I have here is 5 hours 38 minutes 45 seconds plus 2 hours 55 minutes 38 seconds. Okay, now let's add the seconds. We have to add 45 and 38. Okay, so 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 is 13, 3, carry 1 here. Now here it is 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, this is how we did addition of seconds. Same way we will do addition of minutes. 38 plus 55. Now first we will add 8 and 5. 8 plus 5 is 13, carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, we have done addition of minutes. Now we will do addition of hours. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now when we look at the answers that we have got, here we have got 83 seconds. Okay, here we have got 93 minutes. And here we have got 7 hours. Now seconds, when we say 83 seconds, we can change this to minutes and seconds, like 60 seconds make 1 minute, right? 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So what we have to do here, we have to break this 83 as we have to take out 60 seconds from there and take it to minutes. Okay, so what we will do here, 83 we are going to break this number as 60 plus, if we remove 60 what will remain? 23, isn't it? 60 plus 23 makes 83. Now this 60 seconds means 1 minute, right? So this 1 minute we will carry forward to minute section. Okay, so when we take this 60 over here, we are adding 1 minute more to this seconds, minutes. And here what remains with us? Here remains 23. Okay, so here remains 23 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds we carried over here, we changed it to minutes and we have carried it to minutes column. Now we have 93 minutes plus 1, that is equal to now 94. This 94 again we can break, right? Now 94 we are going to break it into 60 plus 34. Okay, why? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, right? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So this 60, we will change it to hours and we'll carry it to hours. Now when we take out 60 from 94, we are left with 34 minutes. Now that 34 we will write over here. Okay. Now coming to hours, we had 7. 1 hour got added from the minutes section, right? So 7 plus 1 makes 8. This is your final answer. Okay. Have you understood what we did? We'll just recall once again what we have done. We had to add 5 hours 38 minutes 45 seconds plus 2 hours 55 minutes and 38 seconds. So what we did, we added seconds, we added minutes and we added hours separate. Okay. Now when we added seconds, we found that 83 is the answer that we have got. 83 seconds. Now 83 seconds means it has 60 seconds which can be converted to minutes, right? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this 83 had 1 minute in it. 60 seconds which we can convert it to minutes. So that 60 seconds we removed from 83 and we brought it to minutes. Now when we take out 60 from 83, we will be left with only 23 seconds. Okay, so the remaining seconds remain in seconds column. Now the 1 minute we carried forward to minutes. So we had 93 minutes, 1 got added on to it and we got 94 as the answer. Now again if we look at 94, we can take out 60 minutes and make it into hour. So we have taken out 60 from 94 and we brought it to hours. When we removed 60, we were left with 34 minutes. That 34 minutes we will keep it in the minutes column. 7 hours we had. We have added on 1 more minute to it from minutes, 1 more hour to it from minutes section, right? So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. This is how we do addition of time. Okay, we have to convert. If we get more than 60 seconds or more than 60 minutes, we have to convert it to minutes or hours. Okay, I hope you have understood the addition of time. Okay, now we are going to do subtraction of time. Now when we are doing subtraction of time, we have to be very careful when we are borrowing. Okay, when we borrow, we will be borrowing the entire minute or entire hour. So there we have to be little careful. Okay, today what subtraction we are going to do is we are going to borrow the minutes. We have 9 hours 45 minutes 32 seconds minus 5 hours 22 minutes 48 seconds. Now first we have to subtract seconds. 32 minus 48, is it possible? Can we subtract 48 from 32? No, that is not possible. So what we do is we will borrow from minutes. Now when we borrow from minutes, we will be borrowing 1 minute. Now 1 minute, when it comes to seconds, it will be 60 seconds, right? So when we borrow 1 minute from here, from 45, we will remove 1 minute. Okay, here 44 minutes will be left. Now when 1 minute comes to seconds, when we convert it to seconds, it will be 60 seconds. Now 60 plus 32. 60 plus 32 will be 92, right? 60 plus 30. What is 60? 60 is the 1 minute that we have borrowed. So when it came to seconds, it became 60 seconds. Okay. Now 60 seconds plus we had 32 seconds earlier. So 60 plus 32 became 92 seconds. Okay. Now 92 minus 48 is possible, right? So we will subtract 92 minus 48. So 2 minus 8 not possible. So we borrow from here. Here remains 8. Here it becomes 12. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 8 minus 4 is again 4. So 92 minus 48 is equal to 44. Have you understood what we have done? 32 minus 48 was not possible. So we borrowed 1 minute. So 1 minute, when it came to seconds, it changed to 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus 32 what we had together made 92. 92 minus 48 is what we have done. Okay. Next we have to subtract minutes. In minutes we have now 44 minutes. Why 44? Because 1 minute was given to seconds, right? From 45 1 went to 1 minute is been given to seconds. So here remains 44. 44 minus 22. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again 4 minus 2 is 2. 22 minutes. Next 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. This is how we do subtraction of time. Okay children, I hope you have understood. You have to remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This thing has to be kept in mind when we are borrowing or carrying or converting to minutes or hours. Okay. So when we did addition, we added seconds, we added minutes and we added hours. That was the first step. In the second step, we saw that seconds we had more than 30 seconds. Sorry, we had more than 60 seconds. So that's 60 seconds we had to carry to minutes. So 83 was divided into 60 plus 23. 60 we carried to minutes as 1 minute and 23 we left it with seconds. Then when we came to minutes section, we saw that we had more than 60 minutes. So we could convert it to hours. So again 94 we have split it into two numbers, 60 plus 34. 60 was converted as hours and carried to hours section. Remaining 34s we wrote it in 34 in the minutes section. Okay. At the end we added the hours which was carried along with what hours we had earlier. This is how we did addition of time. Subtraction of time, when we did, we saw that seconds we couldn't subtract since we had a smaller number and the number which was supposed to be subtracted was a greater number. So what we did? We borrowed from minutes. 1 minute was borrowed. When we borrowed 1 minute, it converted to 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus 32 what we had earlier together made 92 seconds. Then the subtraction goes on as usual. Okay. I hope children you have understood all that we have discussed today. Children, you all need to practice regularly so that you can be perfect in all the concepts that we are learning. Keep practicing and inshallah we'll meet very soon with our next topic. Till then, stay at home and be safe. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Subhanallah walhamdulillah.